Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. We're going to do the maiden flight on this is actually my second Aeros RC MIG 29. We're going to do the maiden, take her up and have a little bit of fun with her. All right, go ahead and start my GPS. Okay, my rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. And we are doing the maiden flight with the ordnance on. Timer set for 3 minutes. Because this plane does eat batteries. So 3 minutes is the most I'm going to do. I may increase that to 3.5 minutes after I check the battery on this flight here. All right. Okay. All right, we're into the wind, so I'm not going to use flaps.
Gear up.
Does need some right aileron. And a little bit up elevator.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh, already bust my nose cone already. That's because I landed out in the grass. Let me go get it. We're going to just. Okay. A little windy too. I really wish I could fly on a calm day, but that's okay. Am I good? Run to 4,000 Sokokin. Enter. All right, we're going to take her down the other side. I'm going to take her up, flip her,
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I'm going to fly her by and make sure I got my gear down. I think everything's okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Get my wings level. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Flaps up.
Still, she's in one piece. Let's check out the gear. Make sure the gear is okay. Gear is fine. I can tell you my next flight will definitely be with the ordnance off. A little too much drag. Let's see what kind of speed we got. I really doubt I went over 100 miles an hour. Yeah, 96 mile an hour, and we were at 282 feet. All right. So we'll turn that off. All right. Well, lost the nose cone, but you've got to have your angle of attack. When you land, I was landed too high. She bounced down and she grabbed that tail, or grabbed that nose, just like I said in the radio setup video. But that was a clean break. I can easily just glue that right back on, put a popsicle stick in there. You won't even be able to tell. Where I've got my placement of the 4000 Sokokin is all the way back against where the receiver meets, with just enough room. Too dark? Well, I'll come in closer maybe. How about now?
That's better.
Okay, I got it back far enough, about maybe an inch back from the firewall, enough where I can tuck the wires in. And she seems to CG just fine right there. All right, still a successful maiden. I could have had some better landings, but that's okay. A little crosswind. And that is the Arrows RC MiG-29. Beautiful bird. I just obviously need a lot more practice in flying her. So, all right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and the Jets. Bye-bye.